Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a video covering the topic advertisement. Advertisement means prachar. This is an essential topic for the writing section, especially for the students of class 12th. Advertisement. In their board examination, a question is given for writing or drafting an advertisement for many different situations. Situation vacant, situation wanted, to be lost and found, matrimonials and many more. So here we will discuss the meaning of advertisement and how to write, how to draft the advertisement according to the situation. Okay, first of all, let you know the meaning of advertisement. What is an advertisement? The word advertisement means a public notice, okay, or an announcement asking for or offering services. Okay, I spoke a line, that is the word advertisement is a public notice or the announcement for asking or offering the services. Next, advertising goods for buying and selling property, households, goods, vehicles, etc. and etc. Advertisements are also used for giving information about missing person, pets, goods, and so on. Next, the written draft of an advertisement is termed as copy. Advertisement is a very important tool for promotion of sales and services. Okay, this is the definition of advertisement. What happens when we want to sell our property, goods, when we want to offer services, when we want to give informations, when we want to give informations about lost things, okay, pets, goods and many more things, we draft an invitation. Okay, now classification of advertisement. Classification. What is the classification of advertisement? The objective of these advertisements is to convey more by paying less. They are brief because they are changed per word or per column, line according to the space they occupy in a newspaper. Okay, now classified. Classified advertisement. What is a classified advertisement? It is given less, okay, less information about something, but it will be complete for the understanding of the readers. If something is being given as classified in the newspaper, it would be enough for the understanding of readers. They would understand what to do and what the service, what the advertisement is about. Okay, let you know The next, here we go to know types of classified advertisement. Okay, types of classified advertisement. How many types are there in classified advertisement? Firstly, situation vacant or wanted. The first type of classified advertisement is situation. First type, that is situation vacant or wanted. Situation vacant or wanted. Second type, sell and purchase. Sell and purchase. This is second type of advertisement. Third, to let. This is third type of advertisement. Fourth one is missing. Missing of goods, missing of pets, animals. Now, fifth one is lost and found. Here I write lost and found. Sixth one is travel and tours. Travel and tours. Appeal, educational and matrimonials. 6, 7, educational and 8, matrimonials, alliance. Okay, these are all kinds of classified advertisement that we must know how to draft. Okay, how to draft these kinds of classified advertisement when we are asked to draft in the board examination. Okay, I hope everybody has write it down in your rough copy. First is situation vacant or wanted, sell and purchase, too late, missing, lost and found, travel and tours, educational, matrimonials, aliens. Now, let me describe each type of classified advertisement. Situation vacant and wanted. What is this? Situation vacant and wanted. When a company requires some, implies there is a vacancy in a company and the company is giving advertisement to fill that vacancy, it is known as situation vacant. Okay, and when an employee will write classified advertisement, it is known as situation vacant, sorry wanted. ओके, दो चीज़ें हैं, एक है सिचुएशन वैकेंट और दूसरी है सिचुएशन वांटेड। जब कंपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देती है वैकेंसी को लेकर, वो सिचुएशन वैकेंट होता है। और जब एक कर्मचारी खुद एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट देता है कि मुझे काम की ज़रूरत है, मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन ये है, मेरी योग्यता ये है, ये सारी चीज़ें, वो सिचुएशन वांटेड होता है। ठीक है। दूसरी चीज़ सेल एंड परचेस। Whenever we want to sell goods, property, anything else, we give the advertisement for sell. And when we want to purchase something and we give and classify advertisement through the newspaper, it is known as purchase. Now to rent, okay, when we provide something rentally, okay, on rent, जब हम भाड़े पे कोई चीज़ प्रोवाइड करते हो, जैसे suppose that I am an owner of a house building and the house building consists at least 15 rooms and all the facilities and electricity, water supply and all is available, and I want to give an advertisement regarding the same, so it should be too late. Okay. Next, missing. When we have lost something, for example, you are traveling in the bus, okay, suppose that your brother has lost himself, your mother is lost, something is lost that is missed by you, so you will write an advertisement under this heading missing. Lost and found, खोया and पाया. For example, if you have lost something anywhere in the market, in the school, anywhere, so you will write a draft and advertisement for lost and found. Travel and tours, educational, शिक्षा से संबंधित, मैट्रिमोनियल्स, एलियंस, शादी को लेकर। ठीक है। न्यूज़पेपर्स में आप देखते होंगे कि शादी के लिए, दाम्पत्य जीवन के लिए बहुत सारे ऐसे एडवर्टाइजमेंट आते हैं कि तलाश है एक ऐसे लड़के की जो नौकरी कर रहा हो। ठीक है। लड़की के बारे में उसमें लिखा होगा, जो भी इच्छुक हैं वो नीचे दिए गए कॉन्टैक्ट्स पे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। तो ये मैट्रिमोनियल्स एलियंस में आता है। नेक्स्ट, okay, now this is a question and example for doing exercise situation vacant. As I told you, the first kind of advertisement, situation vacant, when a company or an institution, organization requires a vacancy, okay, implies vacancy. Now here we go to the question. You are manager of a hotel, okay, you need a lady front office assistant with some knowledge of computers, okay, with some knowledge of computers. आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक होटल के मैनेजर हैं, आपको एक लेडी की ज़रूरत है जो कि फ्रंट ऑफिस असिस्टेंट का काम करेंगी। ठीक है। एंड विद साउंड नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स, कंप्यूटर्स के साउंड का उनको नॉलेज हो। शी मस्ट बी अ ग्रेजुएट एंड गुड कम्युनिकेटर, शी मस्ट बी हैविंग द डिग्री ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, वो ग्रेजुएशन क्वालिफाइड होनी चाहिए। शी मस्ट बी स्किल्ड एंड फ्लुएंट ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, वो कम्युनिकेशन में पूरी तरह स्किल्ड होनी चाहिए। ठीक है। नाउ ड्राफ्ट एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट, नॉट मोर देन 50 words. Okay. So how to write? Now here we go to draft and advertisement. Okay. We will draft and advertisement. Now wanted, first of all, if situation vacant, इफ़ यू वांट, आपको ज़रूरत है, आप चाहते हैं, तो सबसे पहले आप लिखेंगे वांटेड, ठीक है, वांटेड। अब क्या चाहिए, वांटेड में आपको क्या चाहिए, अ फीमेल कैंडिडेट, आपको क्या चाहिए, एक फीमेल कैंडिडेट। नाउ अ फीमेल फ्रंट ऑफिस असिस्टेंट with sound knowledge of computers in hotel. A female office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. Wanted, comma, a female office assistant with sound knowledge of computer in, for example, the name of hotel is the name of the hotel is Rahul's Palace. Okay, hotel in Rahul's Palace. Okay, इतना हमने लिख लिया. Now the candidate must be a graduate and good in communication skill. The candidate must be graduate and fluent in communication. Okay, communication. Interested candidates may come for a walk-in interview. Interested may come for walk-in interview on March 11, 2021 at, now the venue, आप कहाँ का वेन्यू देना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे इंटरव्यू हेल्ड किया जा रहा है, वो आप लिख लेंगे. शादी, शादी होटल, शादी होटल between, शादी होटल between AM to PM. Okay. For further information, please contact 9442 full stop. Now, manager, Hotel Raffles Palace. Okay, you will write here in the corner manager Raffles Palace. Okay, now you may write this drafting of invitation. Contact a female office assistant with sound knowledge of computers in Raffles Palace. The candidate must be candidate ग्रेजुएशन क्वालिफाइड होनी चाहिए एंड फ्लुएंट इन कम्युनिकेशन और संप्रेषण बात करने की अच्छी स्किल होनी चाहिए. इंटरेस्टेड में कम फॉर वॉक इन इंटरव्यू ऑन March 11, 2021 at Shahi Hotel between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. For further information, please contact on 9415420002. Okay, this is the contact number that interested may contact on the given number for applying the vacancy. Okay, I hope you will easily understand how to write an advertisement for situation vacant. Remember, you have to draft the invitation not more than 50 words. That's it. Keep learning.